Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to change your keyboard to an iPhone keyboard on your DOOGEE phone. So the first thing we're gonna do is open up Play Store to download an app called Apple Keyboard. There it is, green Apple Keyboard. So now we're gonna install this app. It's gonna install pretty quickly. There we go. So now that it's installed, we can open the app. And it's gonna give you a tutorial. So first thing you're gonna do is enable it in settings. So give it permission. Click OK. Click OK and toggle this. And then we're gonna switch input method to use your Apple keyboard. So click on that once it appears. And then you're gonna click finish. And you're gonna have these options you want to change. You can change them. But then if we come back and open up a keyboard, you can see that it looks like the keyboard on an iPhone now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.